Ever wondered how to share your unique perspective with the world? Or perhaps how to take your audience on an adventure, all from the comfort of their homes? Welcome to the vibrant world of vlogging. This creative realm offers the potential to share your experiences, connect with people across the globe, and even monetize your passion. Whether it's capturing the essence of your daily life or documenting breathtaking travel adventures, vlogging gives you a platform like no other. The first step to becoming a vlogger is understanding what vlogging is all about. So, you're intrigued about vlogging, but where do you start? It's simpler than you might think. First and foremost, you'll need a camera. This doesn't have to be a high-end DSLR. Your smartphone camera can work just as well. Remember, it's not about the camera, it's about the story you're telling. Next, you'll need editing software. There are plenty of free options available that are user-friendly and packed with features. You can start with basic editing and gradually learn more complex techniques as you go. Finally, you'll need a platform to share your vlogs. YouTube is the most popular choice, but there are others like Vimeo and Dailymotion. Consider where your target audience is most likely to be and choose accordingly. But here's the golden nugget. The content is king. You don't need an expensive setup to start vlogging. What truly matters is your story, your passion, and your authenticity. You're all set with the basics. Now let's dive into the process of creating your first vlog. Now that you've got the equipment, it's time to start filming. But where do you begin? The first step is planning your content. Ask yourself, what am I passionate about? What do I want to share? Remember, authenticity is key. The most successful vlogs are those that reflect genuine passion and personal experiences. Once you've identified your content, it's time to create a storyboard. Just like a movie, your vlog should have a beginning, a middle, and an end. Your beginning could be an engaging introduction to catch your viewers' attention. The middle part is where you delve into your content, whether it's a travel adventure, a cooking demo, or a day in your life. And your end, well, that's where you wrap things up and maybe even tease your audience about what's coming next. Now you're ready to film. Don't worry about getting everything perfect in one take. The beauty of vlogging is that you can edit and polish your footage later. Focus on capturing your content in the most authentic and engaging way possible. Don't forget to interact with your audience by speaking directly to the camera. This will help create a more personal connection. When you're done filming, it's time to edit. Use your editing software to cut, trim, and arrange your footage until it tells your story just the way you want it. This is also the time to add music, text, or special effects to enhance your vlog. But remember, less is often more. The focus should always be on your content, not the bells and whistles. Lastly, review your vlog. Watch it from the perspective of your audience. Is it engaging? Does it reflect your passion? If the answer is yes, then you've done it. You've created your first vlog. Congratulations, you've just made your first vlog. But wait, how do you share it with the world? You've filmed and edited your first vlog. Now it's time to share it with the world. The internet offers a myriad of platforms to share your creation. The most popular, of course, is YouTube, the vlogger's playground. But don't neglect platforms like Instagram, especially if your vlog is on the shorter side, or even your personal blog, which can give your content a more intimate setting. To reach a wider audience, you need to optimize your video for search engines. Use relevant keywords in your title, description, and tags. These will make your vlog more likely to come up in search results. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and asking for feedback. This not only builds a community around your content, but also boosts your visibility in algorithms. Remember, sharing your vlog is not a one-time event, but a process. Keep promoting your content on different platforms and engage with your viewers consistently. You've successfully shared your first vlog. So, what's next? Vlogging is not just about creating and sharing a single video. It's about building a community. It's about being consistent, showing up for your audience day in, day out. It's about engaging with them, understanding their needs, their desires. It's about elevating your content, always striving for that next level. Remember, every journey begins with a single step. and it's the journey that makes us. So keep pushing, keep improving, keep growing. Now it's your turn to start vlogging and share your unique perspective with the world. The world is waiting to hear your story.